So before we finish this section, I need to clarify something. Throughout this section, I mentioned premature optimization a few times. And at the same time, I gave you various techniques to improve the performance of your applications. So does this mean you should never apply any of these techniques until you have performance bottlenecks? No, that's not what I meant. What I meant was do not waste enormous amount of time optimizing non-critical parts of your application, especially if these optimizations are going to impact the maintenance of your code. Don't make your code complicated and hard to maintain because of some small efficiency you're going to get. Software engineering is not black or white. There are always trade-offs. You may put your application on the load and notice that some critical areas need optimization. In that case, you can justify that the extra complexity in the code is worth the performance gain, because this will eventually give value to the users. So do follow the best practices that I showed you, the ones that I put together in the cheat sheet, like the database schema, queries, disabling session, and so on. But don't spend too much time on small gains, especially in non-critical parts of your application. So I hope that clarifies my point of view. In the next section, we're going to put everything together and I will show you a systematic approach to build a feature end to end. So I will see you in the next section.